Can you tell me what you're doing, Eli?
First, this is how to make your volcano alert. Put vinegar in.
Is that vinegar?
I mean baking soda.
Oh, okay.
I think I better remember.
Then red food coloring.
Go ahead. Not too much. Just a drop. That's good. Hey, Briella. Put yours in.
And now the vinegar.
No, you can't pour it in until Grandpa's here.
Okay.
Where did you learn how to do this?
We just found a science project of it at the planetarium, so we took one.
Ah.
We built it at home.
Sounds fun.
So the food
Okay.
coloring is just
You want to squirt a little bit of that in?
you do red the food coloring. You can do yellow if you want to make it look like lava, but it's brighter.
Red was like lava.
I know, but yellow could also be used.
Okay, should we pause and find
You better
Grandpa?
pause it for-
Now what are we gonna do?
Now we're gonna pour the vinegar
Oh, man. That's enough.
Red lava. Rosella.
Careful, we only make the shower again tonight.
What'd you get for that?
Ooh.
Let Eli touch more.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it's like Yellowstone.
Yep, because it is Yellowstone. Mine's Yellowstone too.
Is there more in yours? You want to pour that last little bit in?
Whoa!
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, it's low
Say bye.
time.
Bye!